Morning po. Magme-measure po tayo ng blood sugar spike, no? Ito po yung mga simple meals without rice na madali pong i-prepare, no? Cabbage po ito with corned beef. So, ginisa lang po yan. Sobrang simple lang. Tapos, meron pong dalawang hard-boiled egg. So, as always, blood sugar baseline po muna tayo. Yan. 125 po yung starting blood sugar po natin. At go ahead and eat the meal. And then, babalik po ako after an hour to see if meron pong significant blood sugar spike po itong kakainin ko. One hour na po. Kuha na po tayo ng blood sugar. Yun. 125 and now it's 126. So 1 unit lang po yung tinaas niya. No? We'll see on the second hour kung ano po yung magiging final blood sugar reading po niya. Second hour na po. So final blood sugar reading na po tayo. Ayan po. So 118. So ang conclusion po natin, no, wala po talagang blood sugar spike yung meal na kinain ko po for today. Yun po talaga yung the beauty of eating meals without rice. Napakaganda po talaga, especially sa mga diabetic persons. So, yun lang po for today. I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Bye-bye.